in. What is going on? Why is the market falling? Why am I losing my account? When is the market going bullish again? Because I bought it. I don't know. But what I can tell you is, use a plan, use a stop loss, and don't risk too much. It's very tiring for those who does it, but I get it every day. And I'm like, public service announcement. Stop losses is there to be used, not to be fooled around with. So I just hit stop loss today on a live. You should do too.
Yeah, I mean, that's the other thing. You don't want to get FOMO. So I talk about this a lot, right? FOMO, FOMM. This is one of my, I have a rule that I follow, like a whole list of like psychology tips for Forex. This is top on the list because this was making me lose a lot. FOMO. Don't have fear of missing out on a trade. Okay? If the trade already happened, hey, you missed it. The market moves every single day. The market moves all day for you. You're going to have to wait for another setup. All right, sometimes I graph out a trade and it'll be like 2 minutes in and I missed my entry from like 2 minutes ago. Then I missed my trade, and it just is what it is.
Trading is not about certainties. A lot of times people will drop those comments, and inevitably they're very new traders that don't know how this works, right? You don't get to know exactly what's going to happen in the future when it comes to trading. You get to make basically educated guesses. That's the best way I can express it to the average person out there who is new to this stuff. Trading is not about knowing with certainty what's going to happen next. Trading is about stacking probabilities in your favor and looking for scenarios that give you the best possible risk to reward. That's what it's all about right there. So as price pulled back here, you can see we again found support along the way and have now since rallied. So I would say that the path of least resistance here, the most obvious place for price to go, in my opinion, is a continued push through the highs and trying to go higher.
Whenever you open a chart, that means start thinking from the perspective of, if this and that happens, what does that mean? Instead of wishful thinking. Wishful thinking would be, if price falls to that particular area, I am going to buy or I am going to sell or whatever. Instead of this, you can start thinking from the perspective of as I said, of a simple mathematical equation. That means this has already happened. This is your analysis, right? This has already happened. And now, what types of scenarios are likely to happen? A, B, C, D. Write it down on a piece of paper and then eliminate the ones that are not likely to happen and then focus on the ones that are about to happen.
And what can anybody see potentially here that supports a bullish move to the upside? So anybody see it is there? It might be harder for people to spot, but anybody see there a pattern that says this could potentially be decent to the upside? It's not confirmed, but anybody see a pattern? $100 the winner from Nick. No, I'm joking. There you go. Head and Shoulders. H&S, it's there. It's probably a bit harder to spot, but it's there. Head and Shoulders pattern, which technically would mean if we break above, we're not confirmed yet. If we break above, this is a good sign. So I don't mind what's happening now. I actually prefer it. Another little reload there makes it a bit healthier for me. So breakout retest, move to the upside on UZAR looks pretty good.
Where's the like train? You guys want to do a like train? That would be awesome. We haven't done it in a while, so let's do a like train. This is going to be really weird to some of you guys who don't know what a like train is, but do me a big favor. Smash that like button and comment what number of a like you were. Like, were you the 50th like? Were you the 110th like? Were you the 115th like? And just drop your like. It'd be really cool. What I'm going to do is while you do that, while you hit that like button, I'm going to draw us a quick like train. Okay, so it's been a minute, so my train drawing skills are awful, as they always have been, but we're going to draw a train here, and then we're going to go from there. So here's our train. So we give a passenger car. There we go. How's that looking? This actually looks more like a tractor. Anyways, There's your like train, you guys. We'll give it a track going across. There's your like train. Bam. Let me know what like button you were. Appreciate you guys for being here with me. Look at that, 101, 98. Denise got that 25. Thank you very much, Denise. Beautiful. Thank you, man. I knew it was good looking. I knew it didn't look like a tractor. We could add a bucket though, and then maybe it's a like tractor today. This is more like a like tractor. Let's be completely honest.